I recently purchased this iPhone SE for around $30 on eBay. I was gonna replace the screen because the person who sold this said this had a dead spot on the screen, and I'll try to show you, if I can, the dead spot. So when I try to type U, I can't type U, and then if I try to type 7, I can't type 7 here. Let's do it a little closer so you can see tapping 7 and nothing happens. So I was planning to replace it with this working screen, but with my luck, I opened up the phone and just tested the connection. First, repositioning the connector didn't work too well. It was still broken. So the hardest part is taking off the screen, take off these 2 screws, and then use there's better tools than this, but this is what you get with a $3 repair kit. Suctioned off the screen, and then you can slowly remove the home button connector, which is down here. In my case, it's missing the holding pin, or whatever you call it, bracket. And so you would take off this part over here. I already took it off, and then just take this off and try putting it back on. So I'm not a professional, and most of the time when I've tried this, I've broken it. So you can see how long it's taken me just to put this back on. It's a little hard when you have the camera on top of you. I think it's on. Do the next one. The final one. And then put on the home button, which is a little tricky. I should use tweezers or something, but like I said, I'm an amateur. Got it on. No power on the phone. And with my luck, it won't work yet. So it took me about 2 or 3 tries, and finally, let me put on the passcode. So if I go back to notes, it's still dead. So I'll try it again. Maybe I just got lucky, but it'll probably take me a few more tries to get this screen to reconnect it so it doesn't have that dead spot. Okay, so I finally readjusted the cable, and now I can press U fine, and then 7 works perfectly fine now, and all the other letters are fine. So it is probably the LCD cable's a little misplaced, or it's wonky, because when I tried the other LCD screen, it worked perfectly fine. So if you have a dead spot on your LCD screen, it might be as simple as just trying to reposition the connector till it hooks up correctly.